Hello and welcome. I am going to walk you through how to get your Florida saltwater fishing license today. My name is Rebecca. My husband Brad and I own a real estate business here in Fort Myers, Florida, and we specialize in waterfront boating and fishing properties. So as part of a service to our clients, we like to put together these tutorial videos. To get started with your fishing license, you are going to go to www.myfwc.com. I'm already on this page. You scroll down and you hit licenses and permits. This will bring up a new screen with different types of licenses and different information on rules and regulations. But for today, we're going to just focus on ordering a recreational license. This will bring up a new screen with 3 different options. Option 1, you can do it online. Option 2, you can get a license in person. Or option 3, you can call this toll-free phone number. Today, we're going to focus on option 1 and go ahead and do this online. It will bring up a new screen that prompts you to create a customer account or log in with an existing account. Now, I already have an account. You might not. You would go ahead and click on Create Customer Account. I'm going to go ahead and be a returning customer and log in, and then just log in with my credentials. So if you're an international customer, if you're on vacation, you would go ahead and click this. Or if you're a citizen or a permanent resident, you click on U.S. citizen. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter my credentials. Enter my birth date and continue. This will pull up my main profile. Next, you click on Purchase a License. And then that will bring up different types of licenses that you can purchase. I don't recommend that you click on these predetermined combos because they include different add-ons you don't necessarily need. I like to purchase bits and pieces of what I want. So we do a lot of offshore saltwater fishing. We also go scalloping once a year. So I scroll down to saltwater fishing. And I am a resident. I just typically renew mine annually, the 1 year at $17. I add that to my cart. You'll see the effective date of the license and the expiration date, and then recommended add-ons. Make sure you read this and pay attention. There's certain types of fish, if you fish for them and you do so off of private boats, then you need to fill out and sign up for a Gulf Reef fish survey. We do that, so I'm going to go ahead and click yes. And then I won't check out quite yet because I like to add a plastic card to my shopping cart. And this just means that instead of printing out my license on a piece of paper or having to download the app and have it saved electronically on my phone, I get a plastic card that looks like a credit card. I don't like to carry my phone and I don't like to have a piece of paper that can get wet while I'm out on the water. So I scroll down to Specialty, and then you'll see here you can order this hard card. Let's go ahead and add that. And then we are done for today. So you click on checkout. You can opt to make a donation if you'd like. We've already made these. And then next, you'll just confirm that you have everything that you need. So for a grand total of about $25, you'll save yourself a lot of hassle, heartache, and potentially large fines for fishing without a license. You can scroll down here, you enter your billing information, where you'd like your card shipped, and then you go through those typical online pay motions, and you are good to go. Now, like I said, my husband and I focus on waterfront property. If you'd like to learn more about us, you can go to floridaheritageteam.com. We have all sorts of good information on here pertaining to waterfront lifestyle, including lots of videos about different fishing trips that we've done and what the Florida lifestyle is all about. So check us out if you'd like. I hope you found this valuable, and more importantly, enjoy your time fishing. Have a safe and wonderful time out on the water.